welcome to my channel, and thanks for all the support I've been getting. So today what I'm going to be sharing with you is a website that you can use to create free logos in less than a minute, and I'm also going to share with you how you can make money from creating these logos on Fiverr by creating a gig, or you can even sell logos by creating a page on Instagram and going after new businesses and creating logos and charge them a premium price for that. Alright, so let's dive right into it. So the website that I'm going to share with you today, it's called freelogodesigns.org, and you can basically, alright, so one of my company is called cooltrends.com. Cool Trends JA, that's the t-shirt company that I have. So let me go ahead, Cool Trends JA, and as you can see, when I type that in, I'm starting to get samples populate for me, so I can definitely browse through, but I can also select the category right here. So it's a t-shirt company, so I would go for fashion and beauty and then click get started. And once this loads up, then I would see more logos that suit for if you sell like clothing, if you sell fashion accessories, stuff like that. And everything here can be customized. So these are some samples that came up. So I would just basically choose one that I want to use. For the sake of this video, let me just go ahead and choose one real quick and show you how it works. So let's say I'm gonna work with this one for argument's sake. Let's say I'm just gonna work with this one just for the sake of this video. Alright, so right here, where it says company name, over on the right side panel, you would just touch the name, and right here I would just erase that and write Cool Trends JA. Alright, and it would change, and I can also change the color like real simple like that, and then I can touch this and I can also change the color of this to whatever I want, and I can also change this color here to black. So it's as simple as that. And then once I'm finished, and I can also add things to it as well. If I want to add a shape, I can go ahead and add a shape. If I wanted to add this, I could do that and put it like, I don't know, this doesn't look good, but this is just for the sake of the video, so bear with me. Alright, so if I wanted to put this like right here, I could, and then I could change the color to like a yellow lightning or something, and put that right here. Yeah, so if I wanted to do that, I could, and then what I do, I would click save right here, and then all you would do is select the free version. So there are paid versions, high resolution, but the free version works just fine. So I would just click download, and then you'd put your name and your email address here, and your logo would be sent to your email in less than a minute. Alright, and that's how you go ahead and create the logo. So now I go on Fiverr. These are a few of my gigs, and on Fiverr I have this one. I will do professional logo designs for your business page. So let me go ahead and preview this for you. So what I did to create the templates for this, I just did a few logos on the website that we were just on, and just did some, so I have some samples right here, did a few, and so I can have as display, and I charge basically $10, and I give them 2 designs for $10. Alright, and that's how I make money on Fiverr from creating logos. Another thing you can do with Fiverr as well, after you created your gig, you don't have to sit down and wait around. There's a section called buyer request. What you do, click more, and then you go to buyer request, and you would literally see persons that have offers that, so these are the requests that I sent for today. So persons are looking, I'm looking for someone who can revise my website, but that's for my website gig. Here's one: I need you to design a logo for us in Adobe Photoshop That's a different one, and their budget is $6. Here's one. A logo. I need a new logo for my business, traditional tree farm, and their budget is $10. So what I do is I send out a request like this: hi, I would like the opportunity to work with you in creating your logo. And this is how I get business without you having to just sit back and wait to get business. You can come around to buyer requests, and you can send out a maximum of 10 requests per day. So every day you can send 10 more requests to buyers on Fiverr as well. So this is a really good way to make some extra money as well. Okay, so yeah, that's how you would do it on Fiverr. Another way I make money from creating logo is that I go on Instagram and I would search for the hashtag, like hashtag online business, hashtag Jamaican business owners, and stuff like that. You can be creative with your searches, and then you would see basically new pages, and I just look on their image or on their page and I'm noticing that they don't have a logo. I then go ahead and give them a follow, give them a few likes, and then I reach out to them in a message and say, hey, I could create a beautiful logo for your business. I just charge $2,000, and 7 out of 10 times they would agree, because what I do, because for creating the logo it's so simple, it's not gonna really take much time. I just get the name of their business and send them a few samples as well. But I have to add, like, I use you can use Canva to add like your watermark over it so that they don't just steal it, or you can use a sample without their company name as well, so that they can see how it would look, but just let them know that it would have their company name instead of the sample, or you could just literally write the word sample right there. So that is a way that you can use to make some money in 2020 by using Fiverr, the free logo design website, and you can start your own logo creation business. Alright, so if this short video was of value to you, remember to subscribe, share with your friends, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.